Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use sturdy marble shard grounded, only way. Start by choosing a stable surface and clear debris from the shard. Press the grounding face firmly into soil or a grounding mat until it seats evenly. Attach a secure, stainless steel clip to the shard and run a continuous conductor to your grounding point. Test continuity with a meter and adjust placement for optimal contact and stability. Handle connections carefully and prioritize safety when installing the shard. Clean the contact area and tighten a stainless steel clamp so the conductor seats flat against the marble. Route the conductor along protected paths, avoiding sharp bends and pinch points. Check that all fasteners are secure, then verify grounding continuity with a meter. If you feel resistance or see corrosion, replace components and retest before regular use. Hey friends, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical content. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book that reframes saving and investing, The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with sensible, grounded choices for life and projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support and feedback. Now let's get back to the video. Regular testing keeps the grounding system reliable and safe over time. Use a multimeter to confirm a low resistance path from the shard to your grounding stake or mat, and record readings for reference. Clean the shard surface with a soft brush and mild solution if buildup appears, and tighten or replace clamps as needed. Routine inspections catch issues early, preventing failures and preserving performance for years of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.